This feathered swimmer also needs clear, fast-flowing rivulets. The white-throated dipper raises its ravenous young by the mountain stream. It's the only songbird in the world that can dive. It catches insect larvae underwater for its young. It dives scores of times. The fledglings keep her busy around the clock. This dipper has perfected its hunting technique. It's caught a caddisfly larva, not to eat, but to use as bait. A fish has fallen for the ruse. It has the larva in its mouth. But it and the larva end up as bird food.